Have you ever pondered the connection between diabetes and your diet, specifically a plant-based diet? Let's take a moment to delve into this topic. Diabetes, a condition that affects millions, is heavily influenced by our dietary choices. Today, we're going to explore the potential benefits of adopting a plant-based diet for those living with diabetes. We'll look at the science and the practical aspects of this dietary approach. Join us on this enlightening journey as we unveil some food facts that could potentially change your life. Understanding diabetes requires acknowledging the vital role that diet plays in managing this condition. Your food choices can directly affect your blood sugar levels. Consuming a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can help maintain a healthy blood sugar level, reducing the risk of complications. It's not just about avoiding sugar, but embracing a holistic approach to nutrition. So it's clear that what one eats can significantly impact their diabetes. But how does a plant-based diet fit into this picture? Plant-based diets, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can be a game changer for people with diabetes. Such diets are shown to lower blood sugar levels, promote weight loss, and boost heart health. The fiber in these foods slows down the absorption of sugars, helping to maintain steady blood sugar levels. In fact, some individuals have experienced a reduced need for medication after adopting a plant-based diet. Switching to a plant-based diet isn't just about managing your diabetes, it's about improving your overall health. To sum it up, diet plays a crucial role in managing diabetes, and a plant-based diet can provide numerous health benefits. It's important to remember what we've discussed today: the significant link between diabetes and diet, the positive effects that a plant-based diet can have on managing diabetes, and the general health benefits such a diet can bring. Remember, your health is in your hands, and every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body. Make it count.